Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yandika Halilullah and the last ID number 046. Today, I will present the result of an interview about people's knowledge of Muslim scholar. Interview with a Muslim scholar. Introduction. This interview was conducted with 10 respondents to find out their knowledge of Muslim scholars, their ability to name well-known Muslim scholars, and their opinion on why classical Muslim scholars are less well-known among today's generation compared to classical Western scholars. The results are expected to provide an overview of public awareness of Muslim scholars. Interview result. Novel. According to Novel, he is familiar with Muslim scholars and mentioned Imam Al-Ghazali, Ibn Sina, and Imam Al-Shafi'i as scholars he knows. In his opinion, classical Muslim scholars are less well known because they receive limited attention in school and the media. Russia. According to Russia, he is familiar with Muslim scholars such as Imam al-Bukhari and Imam al-Nawawi. He believes that classical Muslim scholars are less popular because social media and school textbooks focus more on Western figures. Bayu. According to Bayu, he is familiar with Muslim scholars such as Ibn Khaldun and Ibn Rushd. He believes that the works of classical Muslim scholars are rarely introduced to young people in a simple and accessible way. Aska. According to Aska, she is familiar with Muslim scholars such as Imam Malik and Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal. She believes that the history of Islam has not been presented in an engaging way, making it less appealing to students. Rizki. According to Rizki, he is familiar with Muslim scholars such as Ibn Sina and Imam Al-Ghazali. He believes that people are more familiar with Western scholars through films, the internet, and other forms of media. Adib. According to Adib, he is familiar with Muslim scholars such as Imam Al-Shafi'i and Imam Al-Bukhari. He believes that the lack of educational contact about Muslim scholars on digital media has contributed to their limited recognition. Abi Aksa. According to Abi, he is familiar with Muslim scholars such as Ibn Khaldun and Imam al-Nawawi. He believes that the low interest in reading about Islamic history is one of the reasons why classical Muslim scholars are less well known. Sheftafi. According to K, she is familiar with Muslim scholars such as Imam Al-Ghazali and Ibn Rushd. She believes that Western figures are more frequently used as examples in general education, making them more widely recognized. Iksan. According to Iksan, he is familiar with Muslim scholars such as Imam Malik and Imam Al-Shafi'i. He believes that the limited introduction of Islamic figures from the early stages of education has contributed to the lack of recognition of classical Muslim scholars. Kinanti, according to Kinan, she is familiar with Muslim scholars such as Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal and Ibn Sina. She believes that the presentation of the history of Muslim scholars has not yet adapted to the types of media preferred by today's younger generation. Conclusion. Based on the interview conducted with 10 participants in the main consultation, all participants were familiar with Muslim scholars and were able to mention several well-known figures, including Imam Al-Ghazali, Imam Al-Shafi'i, Ibn Sina, Ibn Khaldun, Imam Al-Bukhari, and Imam Al-Nawawi. In addition, most participants believed that classical Muslim scholars are still less well known, especially among the younger generation. This is mainly due to the limited coverage of Muslim scholars in educational materials, the lack of information presented through various media, and the greater emphasis placed on Western figures in education. Therefore, greater efforts are needed to reintroduce these works and contribution of Muslim scholars through education and digital media so that their legacy and contribution can be better recognized and appreciated by younger generation. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I apologize for any shortcomings. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.